They're at the post. Thereof. Green Bay into the inside, the gray silver streak. As they pass onto the wire for the first time, Penny Stamp just in behind them in third, and Rare Affair is in that red cap fourth. Coming up the rail now is a Sweet Livy Lou, and just alongside is Miss Stone as they run by the 7/8 pole. Back to the next flight of Optimism, and to Optimism's outside is 5 Barley Loaves. Then back to Diamond's Attorney. Saving ground to the 3/4 pole, Mia's Stage. Irene is next to last. Diodoro trails 24-3 for that opening quarter. And it's Silent Streak and David Morin with 5 furlongs to go, stalked by the favorite Green Bay, who's just a neck off that leader. Rare Affairs to the extreme outside, third, and Sweet Livy Lou continues to save that ground. Then we have Miss Stone in fifth, 3 lengths off the lead. 5 Barley Loaves is sent 4 wide as they run up the backstretch, 49-1 for the opening half mile, chasing Silent Streak. Green Bay on the outside, Contreras poised to take on Silent Streak with 2.5 furlongs to go. Now shakes up the favorite Green Bay, but Silent Streak continues to roll along. Green Bay's under a drive on the outside in second now. 5 lengths to Rare Affair in third. As they come over to the top of the stretch, Diamond's Attorney is trying to make up ground, and Silent Streak is running huge on the front end. Silent Streak is running a brave one this afternoon, and they come to the last 16th of a mile, and it is Silent Streak who will give Davy Morin back-to-back winners. It's going to be tight for place. 5 Barley Loaves at long odds got second on the money, then Green Bay and Optimism.